Ready to turn those free Xempire tokens from your Bybit airdrop into spendable cryptocurrency. First, open your Bybit app and tap on the Assets tab, located at the bottom right of your screen. This is where you'll find all your holdings on Bybit. Next, ensure you are viewing your spot account. Airdrops are usually deposited here. Scroll down or use the search bar to locate the Xempire tokens in your list of assets. Once you've found Xempire, tap on it. This will take you to the Xempire asset page. Now, look for and tap on the Withdraw button. You'll now see the withdrawal screen here. You'll need to enter the withdrawal address of the wallet you want to send your Xempire tokens to. Be extremely careful when entering this address. A mistake could result in the loss of your tokens. Next, select the correct blockchain network to use for your withdrawal. This is crucial. Xempire usually uses the Binance Smart Chain BSC network, also known as BAP20. Make sure the wallet you are sending to also supports this network. Now, enter the amount of Xempire you wish to withdraw. You can choose to withdraw all of it by clicking the All button, or enter a specific amount. Remember to consider any withdrawal fees that Bybit might charge. These fees will be displayed. Before finalizing the withdrawal, carefully review all the details. You've entered the withdrawal address, the chosen network, and the amount. Once you're certain everything is correct, confirm the transaction. Bybit will likely require you to complete a security verification process, usually involving email and SMS verification codes. Enter these codes as prompted to authorize the withdrawal. And that's it. You've successfully requested a withdrawal of your Xempire airdrop from Bybit. The tokens should arrive in your external wallet within a few minutes, depending on network congestion.